Hello you and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're trying this American mystery bag which contains sweets. So if you enjoyed this video then please drop it a like and subscribe, and I'm so excited to open this. So this is what the bag looks like. It's quite big. It's like a lot bigger than my head. So yeah, it's a very cool design, and it's got sweets there. And the good thing about this is that we know all of these are going to be American. So yeah, we've got to open it up, shall we? Ooh, actually, I don't know how to do this. Right, this seems okay. Right, I got no. I'm just gonna open it up like a crisp packet. That makes sense. It's a bit hard to get into. Aha! Bingo! We've opened it. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. We've opened it, guys. The American mystery bag is officially open. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. There's so much more in here than what I expected. There's so much more in there than what I expected. Right, let's just... We have got... Oh no. We've got more... Oh, I've just spilled all those. We've got more of these sweets. I've just spilled them all. Original fruits. And it is the... It doesn't say what flavor it is, but we've got more of these fruits. I'm going to clean that up real quick. There is so much more in here than what I actually expected. We've got some of these Sour Patch Kids watermelon. I don't know if Sour Patch Kids are American or not, but it says it's an American mystery bag, so got some Sour Patch Kids watermelon. What else is in the bag? What donut? What donut is it? Donut cake. Wow. Donut cake. That looks awesome. Wow. Donut cake with strawberry flavored filling. Oh, wow. Ooh, taking something else out the bag. We got some M&Ms. Ooh. Some cookie M&Ms right there. Minis. Oh, this looks awesome. We've got some... Ooh, there's a drink, there's a drink, there's a drink, which was the big one. I've got no idea what this is. Marvel Super Hero... Something like that. This looks massive. This does. It looks very cool. I am loving it. There's still so much more in the bag. We got some barbecue. As you can see, made in the US right there. Some barbecue flavored potato chips. Wow. As you can see right there. All this looks so good. There is so much more in here than what I was to expect. There's still so much. We got whatever this is. It is Laffy Taffy Sour Apple. So we've got some more sour stuff to try out. Whoopity do. Ooh, we got some more flavors. We got the Laffy Taffy grape flavor as well. This looks awesome. We've got Nerds Row, Tear and Share. I don't know what nerds are, obviously. This all looks so cool. This costs £10. We've got whatever this is. Look for flavor here. Tropical. Roll-ups. Something like that. This is awesome. And whatever this is. Don't you like bite into it like that. And that's it, I think. There's nothing else in the mystery bag. Wow. That's awesome. And it's all stuff I haven't tried before. I am super excited to try this. Let's go. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the Hers barbecue flavored potato chips. Patatas fritas. Of course, they're family made in the USA. So let's go ahead and give this a taste, shall we? Open it up, and yeah, that's what it looks like inside. Let's give it a taste. They smell good. Mmm, they're good. They're really good. They do taste like barbecue. I'm trying to put my finger on it, but I don't know what. They taste like a crisp that we have in the UK. I just don't know which crisp. But yeah, I actually really like these. I'll probably give this either 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. Because these are really good. Look. Mm. That was barbecue flavored. That was really good. I think what we can try next is this one. Says here there's cherry flavour, lemon flavour, strawberry flavour, lime flavour, and orange flavour. And we saw what happened last time. So, see if we can open the box again, and let's try each of the flavours. Okay, so again, a few different colours this time. So, I'm going to individually pick them out. We've got the cherry flavour, the lemon flavour. I can't really tell the difference that much. I don't know, they look the exact same on camera. We've got the lime flavour and the orange flavour. There's only 13 in this box, but they're very chewy, so I'm not really complaining. Starting off with what I believe to be the cherry flavour. There you go. Let's go. Surprisingly, it doesn't taste like cherry pie. However, unsurprisingly, it's stuck in my teeth again. That was an excellent cherry flavour. I think I enjoy it a bit more than the cherry pie. I'm going to give that a 8 out of 10. It is a bit chewy, so... Next we've got lemon. Let's go. Oh, God. Oh, that is... It's sour. I'm wearing yellow today. Oh. Oh, I literally can't eat these sweets. Oh. What is it with these sweets? There was in last video. They're in this video. Ah. Ah. Alright. Lemon flavour. Yeah, we'll give it a 6 out of 10. What I believe to be the strawberry flavour next. Let's go. That is strawberry. Oh, wow. That's the strongest yet. Oh, I can't even talk. Yeah, that's good. Um, I'll give that one a 7 or 8 out of 10. It was pretty good. Lime next. I don't know how I'm looking forward to this one, but lime. Ooh, that's good. Oh, this is torture. I can't chew. Yeah. Yeah, the lime, it tastes very tangy, and I would say that's good. And then before we start here chewing forever, let's just get orange over and done with. Let's go. Oh, it's taking a bit for that orange to kick in. Ah, ugh. It seems alright though. I think for the orange, it's gonna have to be a 4 out of 10. There wasn't really much, any flavour to it whatsoever. And of course, they're all chewy. So, I don't know what it is with these sweets, but they are extremely chewy. I think I'm gonna try the roll-ups so and so next. The fruit flavored snacks, something like that. And this thing, let's give this a go. Hopefully it's not chewy. Ooh. Oh. Is this it? Is this in a packet or? Oh. It's, it's, there we go. That's what it looks like. Looks kind of cool. Cool. I've got to take the wrapping off. Oh God. This feels so sticky. Oh no. Oh wow. It doesn't want to come off, it seems. How do you Oh my God. I'm struggling to get this off a bit here. Is that it or nope, this oh my days. Is it wrapped around? Oh my gosh. Um we're definitely tasting the rainbow today. I don't know what's the wrapper and what isn't the wrapper. It's all kind of stuck to. Well, there we go. Okay, so all of it is. Okay, I've made an absolute mess of this, but let's say give it a go. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh my. That is very sweet. Oh. Oh. I'm definitely tasting the rainbow. I can now hear colours. I'm tasting the rainbow. I can hear colours. Ah, ah, that is so sweet. Ah, oh, ah, uh, ah. All that. is just pure sweetness. Ah, ah. My eyes are watering now. I think it's finally gone. Oh my, that. I'm gonna just give this a 5 out of 10. Um, my throat's now sore. My teeth are gonna end up falling out. It was very sweet, and it made me begin to hear colours and whatever else people on TikTok say to try get some laughs. Um, yeah. 5 out of 10 for this one. Alright, I'm gonna try the apple flavoured Laffy Taffy, see what the apple flavour tastes like. Hopefully won't be as bad as whether that one just was. So let's try and open it up. I can't open it up, that's just fantastic. There we go. Oh wow, it's green. Right, apple, Granny Smith, let's go. Oh, why is everything so sticky? Uh, it's alright. I can taste the apple. I don't like apple. But yeah, I think it reminds me a bit of, I think it's called Naomi, the sweets that we have anyway. It's just these look like they're in a long packets more than a in rectangular packets. Oh, what is it with everything getting stuck in my teeth? Considering we've just done that one, let's try the grape flavour. I think I'll be okay with the grape flavour. I'm alright with grape. I'm alright with grape flavour more than I am apple flavour. We'll give the apple one 6 out of 10. Because obviously, again, it's just way too chewy. I can't open this up for the life of me. Once again, it's stuck. It is. This stuck. It's. I don't. I think I've got into it now. On the other end, at least. Right, there we go. We've got some. We've got some. I repeat, we've got some. This is the grape Laffy Taffy. Let's go. I really wish I didn't get a mouthful. Ah. Ooh. Ah. It tastes like grapes. Ah. It tastes like perfume. Ah. Hmm. It tastes like that crush soda, the one that we tried yesterday or whenever it was. Again, a 6 out of 10. It's very sweet. Um, yeah. What do we try next? I'm gonna try these Sour Patch Kids. I don't know if we have these in the UK. I mean, if we don't, then fair enough. But if we do, I don't think I'm going to like them just because it's jelly type stuff. But yeah, right. We can always give it a go. This is the watermelon Sour Patch Kids candy thing. Let's go. Whoa. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Did I mention that I don't like watermelon? Uh, the texture's actually bearable. However, this watermelon taste is not it. Oh God. Uh, I don't think I can finish this. I just nearly, nearly, you know what I mean. Um, 5 out of 10. No thanks. Gag reflex did not like that. Like I said, I don't like watermelon. And I don't know if we have Sour Patch Kids. I mean, it was all right. I enjoyed it, most of it. But for me, I don't like watermelon. But I think if it was something like cherry flavor or something like that, I think I'd be fine. And yeah, that's Sour Patch Kids, which I will not be having again. Alright, let's go straight on to the next one. This is Nerd Rope Tropical flavour with other natural flavours. I don't know what Nerds is. I think it's another American thing, obviously. So, I don't know how you open this or where you open this. I'm guessing you tear it or something. Ooh. Oh, wow. Aren't Nerds just those little ball things? It looks like a little snake or something. I'm only gonna try. Oh, is it jelly type? Not jelly. Oh, that's actually quite all right. I was other than everything falling off, that's actually pretty good. That's actually decent. Oh, uh, that is good. Oh, it's sweet, but it's good. It tastes like those wristband sweets. I don't know what you call them, but the jelly bit, soft and chewy inside, I don't like. But the initial sweet and crunchy, I like. 7 out of 10. But yeah, I was expecting not to like that, but I actually did. That's pretty good. Right, I think I'm gonna try the chips, Dulux minis, and the M&Ms because there's always M&Ms in our video, and yeah, I'm gonna try the M&Ms because I'm dying to. Oh wow, looks like a normal cookies, but just with M&Ms. Mmm, oh that's amazing. Mmm. I think I need some milk with this. Alright, I've got the milk. Let's take one of these cookies. This one's a thin one. And it looks like all the M&Ms are just on the inside. But yeah, we'll go on. Got the milk. There we go. Give it a bit of swish. And let's taste. Mmm, that's so good. Wow, that was so much better than I thought. Mmm, I'm gonna have to do that again. This one looks like it's got more M&Ms in it. There you go, you can see a big one there. Right, let's do that again. There we go. Mmm, that's amazing. I'm in love with it. They're amazing. You're gonna have to keep these away from me before I eat all of them to myself. Alright, I think it's time for the donut cake while the others are in the fridge. Um, the strawberry flavour. Go on then, I'm really excited for this. Let's give it a go. Ooh, it's in the shape of a donut. Is it just cake in the shape of a donut, or like what actually is it? I'm gonna eat the side. Ooh, the icing. Don't mind me. That was good. Let's take it out the packet though. Oh no, it's broke. That looks splendicious. That looks amazing. Whoa. Whoa! I feel like I've got a bunch of energy all of a sudden. That gets my 10 out of 10. I really, for some reason, really enjoyed that. And I don't like donuts. I don't really like cake. But that is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And there is still some left. You can see by the reflection there. That is amazing. That is so good to me. Did we rate these? I can't remember. We'll give these 8 out of 10 if I didn't actually rate them. I just know this is going to go absolutely everywhere if I think it is what it is. I'm not really too bothered about the t-shirt. I'm out of breath. What do I do with this? I bite down into it, or I know this is going to get into an absolute mess. I need my breath back. I feel nervous. Oh, 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 excuse me. That's jelly. Is this jelly? Oh, it's splattered on my wall. Oh, where is it? Oh, that. I don't even know what to know what to say. It's got it's gone on my curtain. there's a picture there that I did when I was volunteering with the kids, and it's gone on the picture, it's gone onto the wall, and it's gone onto my curtain. Leave it. I actually can't believe it. Uh, this is. I don't like jam. This gets -10 out of 10. That is absolutely destructive. Can't believe that. I actually cannot believe that. Give me just a few minutes. It even ended up getting on the Prime bottle. You so literally only I could do something as stupid as saying, I don't care about getting it on myself, and then get it everywhere but myself. Literally went everywhere but in my mouth. Do not, and I repeat, do not take that out of context. Right, I think that will do. I don't think I'll be having this again. I literally can't believe it. Right, here I am with whatever this drink is. It says shake well before opening. So there we go, shake it up really well. It looks like some Marvel type drinks, so yeah. Marvel Super LXR Hero Hydration Dragon Fruit Watermelon. I'm so tired. Need a workout. It's like an earthquake. Right, there we go. Yeah, let's just open it up and let's just get this over and done with. Yep, smells like watermelon. What was the flavour? What was the flavour again? Dragon fruit watermelon. Cheers. Ooh. It tastes like yogurt. That tastes alright. It tastes a bit like yogurt. Yeah, this feels like it. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 to make it up for that last one. Yeah, I like this. This one's really good. This has been the American Mystery Bag, full of surprises. Um, I really enjoyed all of them, to be honest with you. I hope you enjoyed watching too. You probably didn't watch all to the end, or even first 5 minutes, but anyone watching this at this moment, thanks for watching this bit out the rest of the video. I'm gonna go sort my life out and probably my teeth. I hope you had fun watching.